This is an ordinary 1.5 mm punch. It is simply machined into a drill that can be drilled. Mark the Air Force 1 with a pencil. Then use the special drill to drill the holes. Control strength. Only need to pierce the leather part. Repeat the operation again with the conical grinding wheel. Then remove the dander with a small cloth wheel. Okay, you can start sewing the pearls onto the shoes with the curved needle. Why a curved needle? See below for more details. Curved stitches can avoid sewing into the sponge and fabric of the shoe. It does not affect the comfort and internal dimensions of the shoe. Okay, let's see how the toe looks first. It's as expected. The same way. Add pearls to both sides of the shoe. The result is much better. Add a circle of pearls around the sole and it will look even better. Try it. Aha! That's a lot better. Are you satisfied? Of course not. The best is yet to come. Remember the curing agent with Angelus paints. Fix the spacing with a compass. Ensure even alignment of pearls. Dense enough pearls to set off knife hooks. Localized effect OK. The overall feeling of the black hook is very lonely. Add some black to set off the black hooks. How about a thick line turned black? Try it and see. There is a black line behind it. The overall harmony is much better. But it's not enough. Let's have a storm. Oh, I'm satisfied. That's my style. What do you think? How about some black? Change the black laces and see. What are your thoughts? Leave me a message. And a shoe. Let's change it together.